In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a home management dashboard in Notion. If you want one simple place to keep track of chores, bills, groceries, maintenance, and general family responsibilities, this setup is a great way to stay organized without overcomplicating things. We're going to build a clean main page, add the key sections you need, and make sure your dashboard is practical for everyday use. Start by creating a main Notion page dedicated to home management. Give it a clear title so it's easy to find, and think of this page as your household command center. This is where you'll bring together everything related to running your home, so it should feel simple, tidy, and easy to scan at a glance. Next, add sections for chores, bills, groceries, maintenance, and family tasks. These sections help separate responsibilities into clear categories, which makes the page much easier to use. And for example, chores can cover cleaning and routine jobs, bills can hold payment related items, groceries can track what needs to be purchased, maintenance can store ongoing upkeep tasks, and family tasks can include anything that needs coordination between household members. After that, create a chores database. In this database include task names, due dates, owners, and status. Task names should clearly describe what needs to be done. Due dates help you stay on schedule. Owners make it obvious who is responsible for each task, which is especially helpful in shared households. The status field lets you track whether a task is not started, in progress, or completed, so everyone can quickly understand what still needs attention. Once your database is ready, add recurring tasks for weekly or monthly home routines. This is useful for things like taking out trash, vacuuming, changing bedding, checking supplies, or other regular responsibilities. Adding recurring tasks keeps you from having to remember everything manually and helps create a more consistent routine over time. Then create separate views for daily chores, weekly chores, and completed tasks. Different views make the same database more useful because you can focus only on what matters in the moment. A daily view keeps immediate tasks front and center. A weekly view helps with planning ahead. And a completed view gives you a record of what's already been done. You can also add notes for home repairs, important documents, and reminders. This gives your dashboard extra value by turning it into a central place for household information, not just task tracking. Keep these notes easy to update so nothing important gets lost. Finally, review the dashboard regularly to keep your home organized. A quick check-in helps you update statuses, adjust tasks, and make sure everything stays current. The more consistently you use it, the more helpful and time-saving it becomes.